If you've wanted to install extensions or plugins in your web browser on Android, then you've likely had to use apps like Firefox, Brave, or even Kiwi. But today, I can show you how to install any supported browser extension in Microsoft's Edge browser. For this to work though, we must have the Canary build of Edge installed. Now we should see this functionality added to the beta and stable builds in the future, but right now it seems that the company needs to complete a lot of testing before that can happen. So let's go ahead and launch the Edge browser after you have installed the Canary build, and then we need to dive into the settings area. So we're going to tap on the hamburger menu icon in the bottom right, and then we're going to tap on settings. So we need to enable developer mode from within Edge, and we can do that by tapping on the About Microsoft Edge option right here, and then we're going to tap on the build number about 5 times. When you're done, you should see developer options are now enabled, and we can go back to see that new menu option down at the bottom of the settings area. So let's dive into developer options. When we open up the developer options menu, in the first page of all of these menu options, you should see one labeled Extension Install by ID. Let's go ahead and tap that, and it's going to ask us to enter the extension ID in this field. And to find that extension ID, we need to go to Microsoft's Edge extension add-on page. I will be sure to link to this in the video description below so that it is easy for you to find. And you're just going to want to scroll through this list until you find the extension that you would like to install. So we're going to use Dark Reader as our example here. And once we open up the page for the extension that we want to install, we need to go and inspect the URL. At the end of this URL, you're going to find a string of characters. It should be after the name. So you can see we have that slash there. And all of the characters after that slash are part of the extension ID. So let's copy that long string of characters for that extension and then paste it here. Tap on OK afterwards. And then we get a prompt at the bottom asking if we want to add that extension. We're going to confirm. And now Dark Reader has been installed successfully. And we can see that this specific extension works really well, because after I loaded up a website of mine, playstoresales.com, this website is not made to be shown in dark mode, but as you can see right here, with that extension installed, the website is displayed in dark mode. Now you can find your installed extensions by tapping on the hamburger menu icon in the bottom right, and then selecting extensions from this list. And right there you can see we have Dark Reader installed. And here are our options for that extension. Now, from what I have read, some of the extensions will work flawlessly right out of the box, as shown here. However, there are other add-ons for Edge right now that will be buggy since they have not technically been updated to run on a mobile device. So some extensions like Dark Reader or Bitwarden should work really well, but you will need to test your favorite browser extensions to figure out which one works and which ones do not. And this is where I would like you all to help the community out. Please take a moment and test out your favorite browser extensions here within Edge Canary, and then use the comments section to share the results. It would be good if you could let us know which extensions you tested, which ones ended up working well, and which ones you had any type of issue with. The more information that we have on these extensions, the easier it is for everyone in the Android community to enjoy the ones that actually do work well.